I am Praveen Kumar Sadasivam, Group CITO, Pricol Group of Companies, Coimbatore. The flagship company is Pricol Limited, which manufactures instrument clusters for cars and the two-wheelers. We are the Tier 1 supplier for all OEMs in domestic market and international market. Having decided that we wanted to revamp the existing PLM system at Pricol, we had a series of discussions with PTC India, and after our discussions we felt that we need an IT partner who can collaborate with us, who can bring us the exact technology that we wanted, and who can also get aligned with the futuristic growth path of Pricol. IT partners were necessary for us to realize the long-term values of Pricol. Matured IT partners are the ones who have done the implementations domestically and internationally, who can understand the manufacturing domain knowledge, who can work as a partner with us. We selected ITC Infotech due to multiple factors. To name a few, their strong past implementations, their sustained relationship with the customer, the strong coordination between ITC and PTC, and to top it all, their strong management commitment. We were engaged with ITC in PLM domain. ITC were involved with us in the first implementation of Windchill a decade ago, and the journey has continued, and now we have gone for a new upgrade of version 10.1 on Windchill. I think all enterprise implementations will have its own challenges, but the way that we have processed this implementation is something different. We had a steering committee right from the top management level to the end user, and it has been reviewed every week by periodic meetings, and we also fixed a deadline for each individual to achieve the progress. This gave us a very key success factor to make this implementation very successful. Pricol today runs on two enterprise applications. One is SAP, the second major enterprise application is PLM, which is we have got Windchill. Now ITC Infotech is going to help us in integrating both SAP and Windchill, which is the roadmap for the future. And we strongly believe that ITC Infotech will make this also successful. ITC Infotech have been a partner with us from more than a decade ago. When Pricol started the PLM journey in 2001, we evaluated various other products and finally had Windchill as a prime product. And ITC Infotech were the guys who helped us in evaluating the product in those days, and they have been partner with us from 2001 till now, and from which Pricol also has been transferred from a lower version to a right now of 10.1 version of Windchill. We have a strong bonding with ITC Infotech. We treat them as equal business partners, and the future roadmap of Pricol is to integrate two enterprise applications like SAP and Windchill, for which ITC Infotech is going to be the partner with us, and I am sure they will also make this implementation in a very successful way.
We've been associated with ITC Infotech over a relatively long period of time and have derived significant business benefit from our relationship. As Pricol's business expands, we will focus on various aspects including automation and enterprise level platforms. We definitely see a much greater role for ITC Infotech working with Pricol in the future.